So, looking ahead, a project's going to come up on your horizon. Do your due diligence, collect all your data, collect all your good drawings, 3D and 2D, identify the people. You may not have them today. You might not have the skill sets inside your company to take the next step. So, identify that and react to it. So, if you've got to add and backfill with people, then so be it. Going forward, you'll have choices. We will do our level-headed best between us to look at your array of parts. You'll tell us what you would like to do, and we can give you our opinions. But remember, they are opinions based on 30-plus years of seeing things. So we say, that's a really good idea. I'd probably leave that until you have really good skill sets in robotic welding systems before you bring that one on board. We'll have those kind of conversations. So I'm kind of done. Kyle, do you wish to say anything further?
I think the thing is just to finish out the process as to how things would go. Once you're good with the process, the equipment, we've presented a design, build begins. These things contain thousands of parts, so it does take a level amount of time, to be able to produce this. And again, like Mark talked about, timing is important to consider, the purchase of your cell versus the purchase of your tooling and that timing. And then, at that point, once the tooling is done, once the cell is ready, it's at that point when it's important to actually do physical trials with the parts and, get them in a situation where the customer can examine the physical in their hands, what they are capable of producing with the system. Does that mean that that's the end of it at that point? No. There's still probably work that may be done because there may be things that locating features don't work exactly the same. So we work with the customer to make those adjustments to make sure that the tool is what it needs to be in their final production.
Okay, so I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to wish you all the best in your efforts for your project and all that. Now, the good news is there's not just me. In the company of Cluse, there's a lot of good guys with an awful lot of knowledge in the welding world. His team too. So for me, it goes all the way up to the president, who is a welding engineer. Call on us, lean on us, reach out, and we'll see if we can find you a successful robotic welding project. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Kyle.
Thank you.